Just a couple softails enjoying the open road. Why though? Oh, you know, because the Dyna just had to break down. Damn Dynas. Softail squad.
Lord, Lord, won't you shine on me? I know I ain't the worst that you've seen. Lord, Lord, won't you shine on me? I know I ain't the worst, come on and make me believe. Lord, Lord, won't you shine on me?
I think that's Dion's helmet over there, which I'm excited for because he's been doing some work to his street bob, Softail. It's like every time I see him, something completely radical has happened to his bike, and this time is no difference because all of a sudden now it's white with a cool little Harley emblem like that one on his tank. I kind of want to do that with this, but like gold. That'd be kind of neat. So I may steal your idea, Dion. Connor. We're gonna go ride Pertnallis Park, but first we're gonna go get coffee. We gotta travel far and wide to search for epic coffee. And look who we found. We found, whoa, look at the squad. Damn, we rolling deep. We got the OGs. Shit. See, look at that. That's the bike I was talking about. Dude, street bobs are dope, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the new ones. The lowrider, hell yeah. But, you know, Dion, he said, street bob, did the old Fxlr tank swap. Oh, looking clean. Full fender, what? We got Isaac, Zen, the homie from Muskogee. We got Dylan. We got Tanner over yonder getting gas with Dion. And we have the old Starbucks. What? Damn, Starbucks just got popping. Money. What's up, guys? It's your boy Connor. Peter McKinnon intro. We are rolling out to Pertnallis State Park. We rolled through there the other day on our way back from wherever. I can't remember where it was. It was a nice little area, and it was kind of late in the day, so we didn't really stop and enjoy it. We just rolled through there because it was late, it was hot, we were pretty fatigued, and now we're going to dedicate today to that. We're going to ride out there, do the whole ride out to Johnson City, and then come back, to which we're going to stop off at an overlook, maybe even the low water crossing, and take some photos, just hang out. And we're actually blessed with relatively nice weather, where yesterday was so humid and it rained earlier this morning, and so now it's nice and cool. It's a little humid when you're standing still, but it feels amazing right now. So we're gonna talk a little bit about breaking down what's to come. Born Free is coming around the corner. It is almost here. So we're gonna be going out to Born Free. Initially, the plan was, what? I don't even know if we were, oh, there you go. This thing is slipping a bit, doing something weird. Where we're gonna be going out to Born Free. We're leaving Sunday morning out of Austin, Texas. Well, we are. Then we got Cody and Slade coming out of San Antonio. We're going to be meeting them a little bit farther out west instead of us going down an hour and a half, only to go west an hour, and it adds a decent amount of time. So we're going to meet them out there. Initially, we were supposed to go up to Colorado, etc., but the majority of the group said, you know what, why don't we spend more time in California? And it sounds like a plan, because last time we didn't get a chance to check out too much because we went out there for the weekend. Still a great time. This time we are going out for the week. So we will be riding out to Phoenix Sunday night, and then Monday afternoon we should be getting to our Airbnb in the greater LA area. So if you're trying to hang out, kick it, ride with your boy, holler at me. I'd be more than happy to meet up. I want to hit up San Diego for San Diego Harley Davidson, get a photo in front of the dealership, and a couple other shops. We have Mad Matt's Garage I want to check out, meet Matt, as well as the team over at Tracker Die and Speed King Cycle. You got American V-Twin Temecula. Pretty much a lot of the shops that I see putting out some pretty good content on Instagram, whether it be photos, videos, and they just overall interact with the motorcycle community. in a positive shape, way, or form. So that's going to be the plan. As far as the rest of the week, not too sure. I do have a plan to meet up with Will FXBB. He's going to be helping me out with creating some content for a logo for that project to come later on this year. Now, in talking with a few people that are privy to the idea, this thing is promising. I'm excited about it. Now, also with that, we will be creating an entirely new channel. And so I reiterate, there will be a new channel coming up with your boy. So we will be doing some cross advertising on this channel to get some traffic going over. Once we have the footage and have started releasing it, we plan to start shooting some, like a teaser trailer, an intro trailer of more or less of what to expect while in California for a special episode. And most of the other stuff is going to be Texas based for the first season, maybe first 2 seasons. More to come as it unfolds, but that way we have the footage already filmed and edited, and then we just upload them as per the schedule, and there you go, you'll be able to watch it. And hoping to have some merch for that, so that way y'all can go ahead and support the channel. And there will be a new Patreon tier that will give you early screening to the episodes per season, where the episodes will be airing. I'm still trying to figure out if it should be Thursday night. That's where I'm leaning towards, is Thursday night and or Friday morning, but Thursday night, I'm leaning more towards Thursday night. What the hell was that? Fucking ran the shit out of the other rock.